Acadia, Yosemite, Great Smoky Mountains, Mammoth Cave, Linton Cave, Badlands, Grand Tetons, Yellowstone, Great Basin, Zion, Bryce, Capitol Reef, Canyonlands, Arches, Mesa Verde, Black Canyon of the Gunnison, Great Sand Dunes, Rocky Mountain, Hot Springs, Gateway Arch, New River Gorge, Shenandoah, Congaree, Dry Tortuga, Key Biscayne, Everglades, Big Bend, Guadalupe Mountains, Carlsbad Caverns, White Sands. Oh my goodness.
Keep going, you're almost there.
Keep going, keep going. Saguaro, Grand Canyon, Petrified Forest, Death Valley, Joshua Tree, Channel Islands, Sequoia, Kings Canyon, Pinnacles, Lassen Volcanic, Redwoods, Crater Lake, Olympic, Mount Rainier, North Cascades, Glacier, Teddy Roosevelt, Voyagers, Isle Royale, Indiana Dunes, and Cuyahoga Valley.
Where we are right now. We have been to all 51 of the national parks in the lower 48. Today is our final park, and we're on the Ledges Trail.
C.S. Lewis said, "You're never too old to set another goal or dream a new dream." We're John and Bev, and after a lifetime of hard work, our retirement goal is to travel the world and finish our lives with many memories we've made along the way. We are the Retirement Travelers. Come along as we travel the world on this crazy retirement adventure.
We've been on quite an adventure to see all the national parks, and if you follow us on Instagram, you know we just sold our Airstream, and we thought this would be a great time to go over all the questions that we've been getting about RVing. So here goes, speed style.
Had you ever RV'd?
Never.
Do you like RVing?
Love it.
Was it hard to get reservations?
Some places.
Did you make them online?
Some love phone tag.
How did you pick them?
Location, reviews, desperation.
What is your #1 pet peeve about RV parks?
Wi-Fi. It isn't even hard.
What was your best experience at an RV park?
Free beer in Wisconsin. They love their spotted cow.
What do you think you averaged per night for a site?
$40 or $50.
Did you stay on BLM land?
No, we didn't have solar. We didn't want to listen to our generators, and we wanted Wi-Fi.
Did you like Harvest Host?
Yes.
Did you use Boondocker's Welcome?
Yes, loved it.
Did you stay in state parks?
Yes, some of our favorite spots.
Did you mooch dock?
Let me put it this way. Some of our friends have really nice houses, so we parked in their driveway and stayed in the house.
Did you stay at a Walmart or a Cracker Barrel?
No, but we took a nap at Cracker Barrel once.
Were RV parks nice?
Mostly, but not all.
How did you wash your clothes?
With a lot of quarters.
What was the worst part of traveling in an RV?
Seeing something and not being able to turn around and go back because of the trailer.
Was it hard to pull a trailer?
No, I used my truck.
Was it hard to park it?
No, if we did it ourselves. Yes, if there was a crowd with popcorn.
Did you see a lot of kids RVing?
Yes, a lot of homeschoolers and remote learners.
What about dogs?
I think it's a rite of passage. Everyone has a dog, or a kid, or both.
Do you think parks were crowded?
No in 2020, yes in 2021.
Name your favorite national park.
I actually named my favorite at the beginning of the video.
Which parks surprised you?
Big Bend, Death Valley, Mesa Verde, Great Sands, and Isle Royale.
Favorite state park?
Tie, triple tie. Custer State Park in South Dakota, Jekyll Island in Georgia, and Caddo Lake in Texas.
What's the most beautiful place in the country?
West Virginia. Final answer.
What was your driving limit per day?
4 hours.
Any suggestions for where to stop?
Yes, use the Atlas Obscura app. You'll get to see Superman, the Jolly Green Giant, all kinds of cool stuff.
Any surprises?
Yes, how many times we saw references to Lewis and Clark. These guys were rock stars. They were everywhere.
Anything else?
Yes, Bigfoot got around as much as Lewis and Clark.
What was the saddest day on the road?
Hands down, losing our little dog Gingy. She was a sweetie.
Did you have any mechanical issues?
8 tires, 2 years. Need I say more?
Pro tip.
Roadside assistance. Get it.
Did anything happen to your truck?
Hell yes! Who even knew that hail season was a thing in South Dakota?
What do you tow with?
2019 Ford F-150. Love my truck.
Who drives?
Me.
Who tells you how to drive?
Bev.
What is your trailer?
2014 Airstream International Signature 25-foot front bed.
Why Airstream?
I made aluminum my whole career.
Are you happy you bought an Airstream?
Absolutely.
Are you happy with the size?
27 may have been a little better.
Is it insulated?
Yes, it's insulated. We get this question all the time. Why do we even get this question?
Are you a member of any Airstream clubs?
Yes, love the Airstream enthusiast.
Would you do an Airstream caravan?
Yes. Africa. Wouldn't that be fun?
Did you think your Airstream was a good investment?
Yes. Sold it without listing.
Do you think it's worth the money?
Yes.
Do you think it's well built?
Very much so.
Are there things you would change?
Yes. If Airstream would ever like to do a retirement travelers edition, we're in.
Did you make any modifications?
Yes, we converted our closet to a pantry, which means food is more important than clothes.
Anything else?
A backup camera.
Did you have an anti-sway bar?
Yes, don't buy one without it.
Did you have solar panels?
No, but if we did it long term, we would.
Do you have a satellite dish or anything like that?
No, but long term would be a yes.
Was the bed full-size queen?
Yes, kind of.
Was it comfortable?
Yes, memory foam.
Was there plenty of storage?
Yes, tons of storage, no problems there.
What was your favorite feature of your Airstream?
Leather seating.
Did you cook?
No, Bev did. She cooked, I ate.
Do you have an Instapot?
No, but if we did it again, we would.
Do you have a crock pot?
Yes.
Do you have a microwave?
Yes.
Do you have an oven?
Yes.
What's the easiest thing to cook on the road?
Besides cereal, breakfast burritos for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Was it hard to cook in the space?
Not for Bev.
Did you have a Blackstone?
No, but if we did it again, yes.
Did you have a grill?
Yes.
Did you use any other appliance regularly?
Yes, we love our Vitamix.
Did you gain weight?
Yes.
Did you watch TV?
No.
Did you watch movies?
We do have a Blu-ray, but we didn't use it.
How do you stay in shape?
Hiking, running, exercise bands, lots of activities.
Best advice?
Don't overpack.
Was dumping hard?
Piece of cake. Except when the drains are higher than the RV, doesn't flow uphill.
What makes a good sewer hose?
One that doesn't leak, and you need one with a see-through elbow joint.
What did you learn about tires?
If you buy a used trailer, change your tires.
What adapters do you have?
Every single one, stock up.
Where did you purchase your stuff?
Camping World and Amazon.
What are your secret weapons when it comes to RVing?
Velcro and command hooks.
Did you use a camp rug?
Yes, loved it, especially at a dirt site, which was the entire southwest of the United States.
Do you have a water filter?
Yes, a big one, and it was gross when we changed it.
What item did you use the most inside?
Small baskets.
Did you have a trailer lock?
Yes, a good quality lock is great, but do your research with Airstream.
Did you ever fear for your safety?
No, but bikes get stolen.
What sports equipment did you bring?
Inflatable paddle boards, golf clubs, and bicycles.
Do you have a secret to cleaning out your black tank?
A 5-gallon bucket.
If you were going to live in an RV, would you want something bigger?
Yes, we'd move up to a Class A if we were doing this full time.
Where do you get your mail?
We used a mail service last year, but this year a relative did it for us.
How do you get your packages?
FedEx, UPS stores, and Amazon lockers.
Did you ever have an argument on the road? Biggest surprise on the road?
Hundreds, thousands, people on their phones going 80 miles an hour.
Why did you sell the RV?
World travel. It doesn't fly or float.
Are you going to miss your Airstream?
Yes.
Are you happy you took an RV trip?
Yes, it was a blessing to see our country.
Would you consider van life?
Probably not in the US, but Australia, New Zealand, or Iceland, maybe.
Would you recommend RVing?
Yes, 100%, 1,000%.
What did you learn on this trip that you will take with you on future travels?
Americans are great people, no matter where you go. I hope this answered some of your questions, but leave us a comment below if you have more. And be sure to hit subscribe and follow us on our 10-year journey around the world.